Hey guys, Angela here, and welcome to part 3 to tasting the internet's trendiest food items right now. This week's video is all about tasting color. Can you taste color? Yes and no. This trend has been going on for a very long time, steadily not plateauing. It has been increasing over the years with different types of trends. The rainbow / unicorn trend. We're obsessed with color. We're obsessed with dyeing everything we see with many colors. So we gotta try making our own. Now, this is not me testing, oh, is this trend worth it? Because I'm just gonna straight up say it. It's not, but it's a trend that will not die because there's always gonna be a 13-year-old girl that's in that phase where she just loves rainbows, unicorns, wants to frolic through the field. Let's get ready, let's get it, let's go. Let's color everything, anything with rainbows.
Oh my gosh, it is a double rainbow. I cannot believe it. It's a freaking double rainbow. Hey Cal, look at that, it's a double rainbow.
You've probably seen on Instagram, rainbow food is one of the top trending things on Instagram right now. Rainbow things are rainbow cakes, cupcakes, cookies, you know, those seem normal. Dessert rainbow items are normal, but now we're taking it up a notch. We're integrating this rainbow phase into savory food items. And today I am gonna be making, especially since I've been wanting to do this, is the rainbow grilled cheese. And I have a grilled cheese video, check it out. It's an ultimate classic recipe on how to really just perfect the perfect grilled cheese. And we're gonna use that kind of same concept, but we're gonna dye our cheese to do that nice, authentic rainbow pool. So let's make our rainbow grilled cheese. So to make your rainbow grilled cheese, you're gonna need, of course, 2 slices of bread. I'm using sourdough, a variety of food coloring, and you wanna do Roy G. Biv, I guess. So you really, I mean, you could do it one color. I'm not gonna stop you, but to really get like that authentic, like rainbow wow, you really wanna get the spectrum there. And of course, to really get that pool, the best cheese, in my opinion, for the pool is shredded mozzarella. Mozzarella is just really gets that nice Instagrammable pool. Let me show you how to dye the cheese. I never thought I would say that. Dyeing my cheese. Okay, so we have our cheeses right here. One color. So let's start with red. In this case, it's like a neon, it's like a baby pink that I'm using. So I don't know how much is too much. I feel like you cannot go wrong with oversaturating your cheese because we really want the color to emerge, don't we? So look at blue. All right, now that we have our colorful cheeses, it's time to assemble. So I accidentally got some yellow on there, but that's okay. So we're gonna take our red and we're just going to put it vertically like this. Yellow, green, and then for our piece of resistance, the blue. And I feel like the blue is what makes it. Like this is what makes it no longer look like food. Because if you look at these 3 colors, like these look, okay, you see these in a regular base, but then the blue really is like, whoa, that's exotic, right? And see what I'm talking about? See, this is what I hate. I hate this. I hate this. And then we're gonna close it up. Oh yeah. And then we're gonna griddle it. Always wanna grill your grilled cheese with butter. And then we wait. Are you guys ready for this? Let's let it focus. Ready? Okay, I was really skeptical at first about this whole rainbow thing because I don't know, this is so pretty. Oh my god, look how pretty it is. I get it. I get why people are giddy about this. Look at that. Oh, cool. I could just do this all day. Oh my god. I still don't want to eat it. That's the problem in all of this, but I can't waste food, so let's, I mean, we already know what it tastes like. Grilled cheese. You gotta use the butter, guys. That was rainbow grilled cheese. I've never had it. I only saw it on social media, but I can't stop doing this. This is a problem. My mood has shifted exponentially. Now another fun rainbow item is something I came across on Instagram, rainbow spaghetti. And granted, they do sell colored pasta out there. There's the beet colored pasta, squid ink pasta, spinach pasta, but of course what I'm talking about is the artificial colored ones. And so I'm gonna share to you guys how to artificially color your spaghetti if you are craving a little bit more color in your pasta dish. I don't know who is asking for this, but it exists and I'm gonna show you how. You wanna cook some pasta. I have some spaghetti here, and you wanna separate them in individual bags like this. Of course you want them cooled down, so you don't wanna add hot pasta. Okay, so we're gonna work one by one. So let me just put these away. So here is our pasta. So this is gonna be red. We want to add a little bit of water. So just some water in here, okay? And then of course I cook the pasta al dente because we don't want it too soggy. And then we're gonna add our food coloring. And I don't wanna go too crazy with it, so I'm gonna add 2 drops. Let's see what 2 drops looks like. We're gonna zip it up, and we're gonna let it sit for maybe like 10 minutes like that. Okay, so now that we have our rainbow pasta, it's time to cook these into a sauce. Now you don't wanna use a sauce that's gonna hide these colors, because these colors gotta shine, baby. So we gotta really just do a simple pasta, and lucky for you, I have a very simple garlic Parmesan pasta, delicious at any time. Also, side note, am I the only one that truly believed that the rainbow goldfish tasted better than the regular goldfish? Was it just a placebo thing? Was that just me? So this garlic pasta recipe is super simple. You wanna start off with a cold pan, and then you wanna get some olive oil. I already have some garlic chopped up in some olive oil that I pre-did. You wanna get a bunch of it. Again, cold pan. I know it's a lot of garlic, but I love garlic. And then if you like it spicy, we're gonna add some red chili peppers to this. And then you wanna turn on the heat and you wanna slowly cook the garlic so that the olive oil that you have in here, and I feel like I don't have enough, because the sauce essentially is the olive oil. And we're just flavoring the olive oil, so you wanna slowly cook this so that the olive oil gets that garlic fusion. So now that your garlic's starting to sizzle like that, you wanna really lower the heat, and we're gonna start adding our pasta one by one. So we're gonna add the red, then our green, then our yellow, our blue. Oh my god, doesn't that look insane? Now we just wanna toss it around like this. Okay, and so what thickens this is the Parmesan cheese. So we're gonna add a good cup of Parmesan cheese. And don't worry, yeah, it's gonna cover a little bit of the rainbowness, but the cheese is gonna melt down. I'm gonna add a little bit of my secret sauce. You're probably wondering, Angela, what's your secret sauce? A tablespoon of oyster sauce. Highly optional, you don't have to do it, but if you Asian, you know why I'm doing this. I feel like oyster sauce really enhances the Parmesan flavor. It really gives it that extra umami-ness to it. Insane, like it smells delicious. It smells like pasta, but then like when you close your eyes and you're like, Garlic, Parmesan, umami, and then you open your eyes and you're like, what? It's not appetizing. I'm sure this is fun for children. But let's just get a twirl, a little sample, shall I please? I want a little bit of every color in there. Ooh, this one doesn't have red though, even though as if they had different flavors. All right. All I did is taste good. It tastes good because I made it. This garlic parmesan pasta recipe is truly a keeper, and I really wouldn't hesitate to add a tablespoon of oyster sauce to it, guys. It really does make a difference. It's not necessary. It's just a really unnecessary artificial coloring, honestly. Yeah, I'm sure, yeah, you could do your natural colors and whatnot, but what a colorful day. Well, this was fun. I feel like we explored a lot. We learned about colors. We learned that colors can really make you feel very bright, really colors in that darkness that you have in your soul. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like to this video if you love eating a lot of color, or well, just me. I'll catch you guys later. Stay tuned for next week's video because we are gonna be exploring hamburgers without hamburger buns. Catch you guys later. Bye.